Welcome to QCT booth at COMPUTEX 2026. I'm glad to introduce the QuantaGrid D66Q-2U, NVIDIA Vera CPU-based compute system purpose-built for the next generation of AI infrastructure. Traditional AI workloads are GPU-bound, but agentic AI introduces massive CPU-side execution, orchestration, and evaluation tasks. The QuantaGrid D66Q-2U features two NVIDIA Vera CPUs with 176 cores in total. It is designed for highly concurrent and control-heavy AI environments at scale. The system also supports NVIDIA BlueField-3 DPU and NVIDIA CX8 networking, enabling connectivity for ultra-fast data movement. Built on the NVIDIA MGX-based architecture, the QuantaGrid D66Q-2U shortens time to market and delivers multi-generational compatibility. Thank you. For more information, please visit qct.io.